number 07836 353 985. We're actually doing a job in Bowdon in Altrincham today. The system's quite a big system. It's 17 radiators, sealed Valiant boiler system. We've got a good flow around the system at the moment. Some of the radiators were a little bit stubborn at first, but we've actually started the power flush, and like I said, we're getting a good flow around the system. The water is really black and sludgy. We've more or less just started it, so the magnet is quite empty at the minute, but we're going to check that later on. We've just put it on bypass for now. We're going to get that working in a bit, see what sludge and rust we're going to be dragging out of the system. The customers complained of some cold radiators, some radiators just not heating up, but we're quite hopeful really, because we are getting an actual good flow around the whole system. If you don't know what a power flush is, it's just a means of cleansing all your central heating system, you know, cleaning all your radiators out, your boiler or your pipe work to the radiators, etc. It's all done to British standard, BS standard. Price wise, we're up to 50% cheaper than British gas. You get a certificate to prove the power flush has been done, and it's been done correctly with the pH and TDS levels, etc. So if you need to prove to British Gas or Home Serve, if they say you require a power flush, you know, it's all okay with them as long as it's been done properly, which it is. It's done 100% properly. We use the best equipment, the best chemicals, Camco chemicals and Sentinel inhibitors, and we use the best equipment, Camco CF90 power flushing pump and magnet filter to remove all the iron oxide, rust and sludge. Okay, so the job's going all right, so we'll just get back to you later on. Okay, thanks. Barriers, Pro-powerflushing, just back this job in Bowdon. We're just taking a look at the magnet. We're seeing what sludge and rust we're dragging out the system. There's quite a lot of sludge and rust in this system, and that's what power flushing is all about. It's all about getting all that sludge and rust out your system. This is what destroys pumps, clogs your radiators up, clogs your pipes up, etc. So yeah, it's the actual power flush is doing its job, and it's taking it all out of the system. Okay, we'll get back to you later on. Thanks. Hi Barriers, Pro-powerflushing, just back to this job in Bowdon in Altrincham. We're also going to fit a Spiral Trap Magna Booster 2 for this customer today. This device goes on the return pipe to the boiler, and just in case there's any bits of loose debris floating around in the system, this just will catch it on the way back to the boiler. It's just a filter with a magnet in, and also like a spiral thing going on there, and it just traps all the flakes, rust and metal, etc. in the system. It's just an extra little safeguard for the boiler. So we also fit these if you require any of these fitting. Okay, we'll get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barriers, Pro-powerflushing. We're just taking the pH and TDS readings. The job is coming on now. The water's getting a lot clearer. We think we're going to get in near the actual TDS. The TDS of the tap water is 44 parts per million. The actual system was 1250 plus 1250, which basically means it was full of rust and sludge. This is the system now. We're at 64, 65 parts per million, so we're not far off really. If we can get it down a little bit more, that'll be acceptable. Okay, we'll just get back on the job and we'll get back to you shortly. Okay. Hi Barriers, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, this is the water that's coming out of the system now. We're down to actually 55, 56 parts per million, so that's very acceptable. We're not too far off tap water. We've done the pH, and the pH is neutral also. Okay, so we're going to add the inhibitor shortly, let it swirl around the system for a bit, and we're going to trap it in the radiators. Okay, we're adding the inhibitor now. We're actually putting 2 lots in this system. It's a 17 radiator system. We're just going to let that swirl around for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, Sentinel X100 is a really good inhibitor. We don't use any cheap inhibitors. We only like to use the best inhibitors and the best chemicals for the job. Okay, we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Okay, that's this job done now in Bowdon in Altrincham. All the radiators heating up nicely, the boiler's running a lot smoother, a lot quieter, the Magna booster too is fitted. So if you need any power flushing done in Altrincham, Bowdon, Stockport, South Manchester, we cover all the northwest really, just give me a call, telephone number 07836 353 985, and it's Barry. Okay, thanks, bye.